In this lecture, we'll work on another project. Basically, we'll make a calculator with React.js. So, we'll use hooks in this project. So this is my app.js, and we'll work on it. So first of all, we'll make a div, and we'll name it calc. We need all the numbers and operand in the div. So to do that, we'll take the input type. The first input type will be text, and we'll put 0 placeholder, and we'll give an ID as well so that we can fetch. Okay, now we need the button as well. So to do that, we'll take another input, and its type will be button. We'll copy it and we'll paste it, and then we'll assign them values. So we are assigning value of 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got all the numbers. Now we'll check in the browser. So as you can see, we got the input and the numbers. We'll add more buttons as we'll need a button for operand as well. So I'll give 0, plus, minus, forward slash, and other symbols. Okay, so now we'll save it and we check it in the browser. So as you can see, the structure has been designed. Now we'll do some designing to make it a little presentable. So we'll write .calc, and we'll take the width as 320 pixels, margin 100 pixels, and auto. Now it's compiling, and as you can see, it's moved to the center. So now we'll target it through ID. We'll give it ID answer, and we'll give the background color of E3, 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 and the padding of 10 pixels. So we'll increase its font size to 35 pixels, width to 295 pixels, and the height to 45 pixels. Okay, so I want to move it to the center by text align right. Okay, so I'll make a border 3 pixels solid. Now it has moved towards the right. Now we'll target the buttons, and we'll give the background 333, the height of 80 pixels, the width of 80 pixels, color white. So we'll give the class name of button to 9. We need to increase the font size of these digits, so we'll put the font size of 30 pixels, border of 1 pixel solid black. And now as you can see, it looks more presentable. So we'll write another property, float left. Now we'll put this class name button in all of them. So as we want the same property in all of them. So we'll save it. And here you go, we can see the changes. So it has displayed it in the way we want it. But if we've missed any sign, which is dot, so we'll copy it and we paste it, and then we have to put dot sign. Now it seems like a complete calculator, but still we have to add more buttons like clear and equal. I want to remove these white spaces, so I'll add a class button1, and we'll target as well. So we'll give the width of 160 pixels. Now you can see that all spaces have been covered. So our designing work has been completed. In the next tutorial, we'll do calculations with the help of useState. Okay, and now on to the next one.